Hello friends, it's Sherry from Turquoise Dreaming. How you doing today? Welcome to my channel and thank you for joining me. I'm here with April's collab with Deb Hauk's Crafty Cottage, where we're working on cards. It's called Craft Your Stash Cards, and this month's cards that I made are made out of a need that I had for some more business cards. I'm running low. I'm getting ready to run out, and so we do all these crafting of cards and journals and things like that. And I said, well, why am I not making my own business cards? You know what I mean? So I decided to, I looked around on Pinterest and things and got some ideas. And I have a bunch of cardstock that I need to use up anyway. So I just went to my computer and created a table. This is it here. It's got 9 spaces shaped like business cards. You know, these are, tell you the measurement, 2 by 3.5. Okay, I typed out my information that I wanted in each box and printed it out on cardstock, and I decided to try one in each color that I have of cardstock. There's a pink one, a yellow one, and a blue one. I mean, why not have some fun with your business cards, right? That's what we like to do, is craft and do things creatively. So I printed them out, and then I did go ahead. I have one example of some here that I already cut out, and then before I cut them out, I'll show you what I did. I sewed, see this little pattern here? It's a pattern from my sewing machine, and it looked like cross stitch to me, and I thought that was really neat. So I sewed across the bottom of each business card, but I did it before I cut the cards apart. So I just took my piece of cardstock over to my sewing machine and sewed. You see this big space here on the bottom? I just sewed across there, stopped, sewed across there, sewed across there. Okay, so you can experiment with colors with your thread if you wanted to do this. I did it with just black tonight and white. I started with white. Here's the white, because I already had that in my sewing machine. I thought, well, it looks cool, but you can't, it doesn't show up very much. So I thought, well, I have black printing. I have a lot of black thread, so let me try black thread. And I like how that shows up. So I would definitely use brighter colors of thread, black or brown or whatever colors. Maybe you have some colors if you wanted to do this. Maybe you have some colors that you need to use up of thread. So why not just have fun with colors on your business cards, right? So now I still have to sew on these, but I thought, I like them, but I wonder if I can do something else to them. So I figured, well, let me get my stickers out, because I have stickers I need to use up anyway. Let me put these over to the side so I don't mess those up. So I have to sew on those. But why not just see what we can do with some stickers here? I have I love puffy stickers, but I haven't been using stickers really in my journals. These just don't go with my journals that I've been making, in the last couple of years. So I had bought all these puffy stickers because I thought they were the cutest things ever. And now I'm not using them. So I thought, well, perfect opportunity to have some fun with a little, and I thought I was looking for something small, and these are, see the little tiny flowers on here, and there's a little heart and a little apple. There's a little, what does that say, sparkle. Who wouldn't want to get a business card? There's even a little, what is that, double heart or something there. So who wouldn't want to get a business card with a little sticker, puffy sticker on it, right? I mean, it's just not anything big, but it adds a little cute little touch to it, right? Can you see that? It's right here. So that's what I'm doing. Just adding some puffy stickers. So like here is a bee. I think I might save the bee. That I might use in a journal because I have a whole box of bee stuff that when I get time sometime and get motivated, I'm going to make a bee journal. I have made a few that sold and just haven't made any more. So now this is a bigger flower. Let's see, will that fit? I think it'll fit. Let's try this sparkle. Well, that'll blend in. Let's try this apple here, actually. That's not too big, not too small, and it'll be a little bit, you'll be able to see it a little bit better. Has a little stem on top. I'm trying to keep within the boundaries of the business card, but there we go. Isn't that cool? A cute little puffy sticker. So I can make a bunch of these and have them ready to go when I have an order for my Etsy. So let's see, what else do we want to try? I really want to try this flower. I shouldn't cover up my name though, right? Oh, I think it'll fit. Okay, let's try it. Let's try it. So you can just have fun, you know, this is pretty quick. The stitching didn't take that long, depending on how fast you want to zip across with your sewing machine. If you have a sewing machine, I just have the Brother Project Runway computerized sewing machine that, you know, has all the stitches on the side, and you just put in the number and it does this, or, you know, whatever stitch you want to do. So just to let you know what I have. And if you're worried about thread, I'll show you what I've been getting. Just one second and I'll show you. I can grab, I got it right here. I got it right here. I've been buying these threads at Walmart. This is the strangest thing, but at my Walmart, and I would guess that they're all the same, but at my Walmart, this is like 3,000 yards of thread, something like that. I don't have the wrapper anymore. Oh, I do have some with the wrapper. Hold on. Okay, so this is like, yeah, 3,000 yards of thread. There's the number right there. And if you can see it through the glare. But anyway, the point is, this is the same price as one spool of thread. This is like $244, $254, something like that at my Walmart. And a little regular, you know, the big, tall, not the little spools, but the taller spools that are like about that big, they're the same price as all of this. And the little spools, or whatever, the spools that are like that, what are they? They're like, I'm thinking 100 yards or 300 yards. Let me see if I have one. Yeah, I've got one right here. 200 yards. So this is what I'm talking about. Regular spool of thread at Walmart. This one's Coats brand, and it's 200 yards. And this is something like $254 or more at Walmart for this. And this is the same price, 3,000 yards. So I have to make these work with my sewing machine, because my little thing that holds the little post, whatever you call it, that holds my thread doesn't go up. So I just put it on there anyway, and I try to, I know this is might be a little cumbersome for someone, but it could be for me, but I just put it on there anyway and watch it and try to make sure, you know, if I need to push it back and it's trying to fall off or whatever, and use it anyway, because it's worth it to me to be a little inconvenienced to get the deal on this thread. So yeah, if you're concerned about, you know, using too much thread and making something like this, because it does take more thread to do that than a straight line or a zigzag stitch, but that's what I've been doing to get a better deal on thread. So just to share that. So back to decorating our business cards, or my business cards. I have these. These are little school theme stickers, and there's some like stars and little paintbrush in here. So let's see if we can use some of these and get these decorated and ready to go, because I am almost out of business cards. And I thought, wouldn't it be fun to make some? So like, here's a little gold star. That's cute. Put that up there. Adorable. And let's see, what else do we have here? I could use a crayon. Here's another apple. What did I use? Oh, this is a different apple here. Yeah, let's use the red apple too. That's cute. Adorable again. Okay, and what else? Here is a word. Let's see if I can see what it says. Eraser, possibly. I think that says it right. That's supposed to be an eraser. Cool. That's cute. Pair of scissors. That would be cute. Yeah, let's use the scissors. I like that. for crafting and getting creative. We use our scissors a lot. Cute. Okay, where's the rest of them? 2 more here. Did I do them all already? Yeah, I guess there's only not, what is it, 9 on a sheet. So yeah, this video is not going to be very long, so I'm almost done. So 2 more. Let's pick something different. I've got a bunch of these because they used to be at Walmart. Believe it or not, these were at Walmart for 10 cents each. And when I saw them, they've never had them again. I saw them one time at Walmart for 10 cents each. It was on the sticker. I was like, I don't know why these are 10 cents, but I bought all of them. And there weren't that many. There's like 4 there. I bought them all. I was like, I hope they can get those back in stock because they're super cute. But they never did. They never got them back in stock. So I guess I don't know what happened there, but I got a bargain at least one time at, let's try some of these, at Walmart with those puffy stickers. So these have, let's see, cute little things in here. So there's a little acorn, little flower. Let's try one of these. This will look cute. Adorable. Isn't that neat? I love these. And let's see what else. Acorn. The mushrooms are a little bit too big. The squirrels and the animals are too big. I'll have to save those for something else. Let's use this little, well, here's a little orange one that'll show up really, another little orange flower here. So that'll show up well on the card. So yeah, so I've got myself just like that pretty quickly 9 cute little business cards with sewing, you know, unique sewing and puffy stickers. So you can't beat that, right? A little bit of time and you've got yourself some cute, creative, crafty business cards. Okay, guys, that's it. I hope you enjoyed it. I love these. So if you have any questions about anything, just let me know in the comments and let me know if you're going to make yourself some business cards. And I'll see you all next month on the 15th. Every month this year we're doing this. So I'll see you next month with some more card ideas. See you later. Have a great night. Happy crafting.